Tired of missing out on easy mobile engagement for your hosting or site? QR codes are powerful, but finding the right settings isn't always obvious. Instantly create perfectly integrated custom QR codes right on your hosting or pages. In this tutorial, we'll navigate the hosting or builder, uncover the hidden QR code creator, and then customize its appearance and crucial link destination. It's simpler than you think. Alright, to start things off, let's make sure we're on a page where you want to add your new QR code. For a clean slate, I'm going to head over to an empty page in my hosting or website builder. This way, we can see exactly how to drop it in from scratch. You can follow along by navigating to any page where you plan to feature your QR code. Now that we have our page ready, it's time to bring up the Elements panel. This is where you'll find all the goodies you can add to your site, from text to images, and yes, even QR codes. Look for the Layers icon on the left side of your builder interface and give that a click. With the Elements panel open, you might not see the QR code option right away. Hostinger, like many builders, keeps some of its more specialized tools a little tucked away. So look for the More Options icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal dots or more_horizont, and click on that to reveal additional features. Once you click those 3 dots, a new menu will pop up. This is where the magic starts. You'll see an option clearly labeled Create QR Code. Go ahead and click that, and Hostinger will instantly drop a default QR code onto your page. This is the main action to get things rolling. You might see a little informational pop-up appear about QR codes. Something like QR codes let you open links instantly by scanning with your phone camera. This is just Hostinger's way of giving you a quick refresher on the tech. Give that a click if you want to dismiss it or learn more. It's a good reminder of the power you're about to unlock. Now for the fun part, making this QR code your own. We definitely don't want a generic black and white square, right? To start customizing its look, locate the background option in the QR code settings panel. Clicking this opens up your visual customization choices. After clicking background, you'll see the option for background color. This lets you change the overall color of the QR code square itself. Choose a color that fits your brand or stands out against the page background. Just click on background color, and a color picker will appear for you to make your selection. This step is all about making it visually appealing. Next up, let's tweak the pattern color. This refers to the actual squares or dots within the QR code that make it scannable. By changing this, you can create a really distinctive branded QR code. Find the pattern color option right below the background color settings. Click it, and again, use the color picker to select the perfect shade that complements your chosen background. And here's the really important part, making your QR code actually go somewhere useful. You'll see an option that says Link To. This is where you tell the QR code what web page or content to open when someone scans it. Click on Link To, and you'll be presented with various options. You can link it to an existing page on your hosting or website, or perhaps an external URL like your social media, a product page, or a special offer. This is where knowing your way around Hostinger's linking options really comes in handy, ensuring your visitors get to the exact spot you want them to. Take your time here to choose the right destination, as this is critical to the QR code's functionality. Once you've got your QR code looking just right and pointing to the correct link, it's time to download it. This allows you to use your custom QR code on other marketing materials, print it out, or share it digitally. Simply find the download button in the QR code settings panel and give it a click. Your custom branded QR code will be saved to your device, ready for action. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom functional QR code right within your hosting or website. Go ahead and experiment with different colors and links. It's a fantastic way to boost mobile engagement for your site.